Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to tame the iron eagle in Crimson Desert. First things first, you need to prepare either one of these two items. You need at least 20 mercury or 1 platinum to place in our bird feeder. Each mercury will give plus 5 trust and 1 platinum will tame it instantly. Now if you have either one of the two, head to this side of the map at around 4:50 a.m. in game time. This spot is in the Hawkstone ruins just above the letter A of the word Delicia in the same region. Once you're here, you'll see this mechanical statue of an eagle. You can interact with the gears in this statue at around 4:50 a.m. as you can see here. Once you interact with the gears, the iron eagle will come alive and fly around the area. Now set down your saute of bond and place 20 mercury or 1 platinum. It will eventually perch and feed on the feeder. Once the trust reaches 100, get close to it and press take in. Now summon it by opening your inventory, click the Pets tab, then select the Iron Eagle. This is a legendary pet that was added in the recent patch and one of the few that exists in-game. It has a steampunk aesthetic, which I think is a lot cooler than the Phoenix's fantasy vibe. And that's how to tame the Iron Eagle in Crimson Desert. Thank you so much for watching.